This is the video on the operation of the CB255 and 355 Rhino wheel balancer. After you get it all assembled, the hood put on, the shaft put on, and the cones, what you want to do is plug it into the wall, straight into the wall, no extension cord. And then when you get it plugged in, you want to turn on the on switch onto the side of the machine. It's going to wake up in the dynamic mode, which is a two-way position, one on the outer and one on the inner. The machine comes with a spring, 3 cones, and also a truck cone. What you want to do is put the spring on the shaft, and slide the cone on, the size cone that fits your rim. And what you want to do is pull, take a quick release wing nut, tighten your tire up. After you get it tight, the machine requires 3 inputs. It's going to be the distance from the machine to the tire, the width of the tire, and also the diameter of the tire. In order to get to that adjustment, we're going to push the greater than and less than arrow button. Push it one time, it will come up. In the first reading, what we're going to do is we're going to pull out the scale to where it touches the rim, and we're going to look at the measurement. If the measurement is 7, we want to add a 0 to it to make it 70. If it's 7.5, then it will be 75. If it's 8, it will be 80.
So it's in centimeters versus...
Yes, it's in centimeters. So what we're going to do is we're going to adjust it, and it is 80, and that's what it reads right now. So we're going to go ahead and enter that in with the greater than, less than button. That stores the information. Now we're going to go to the width of the rim. You're going to take your calipers. You're going to take the measurement, and the measurement is 5.5. Right now it's showing 6, so what we want to do is take our down arrow, go to 5.5. Let's go ahead and take our less than, greater than sign button, enter it. Now it's asking for what diameter. This is a 14-inch rim, so it already has 14 on here. If you want to go up and go all the way to 28-inch, it will go all the way to 28-inch wheel. So once we get the diameter in there, so all we do is pull the hood down, the machine will start. The outside weight reading, what you want to do is you rotate it till you get all 5 lights lit up. At 12 o'clock, you want to hammer the weight on. And to rotate it to the inside, where all 5 lights are lit up, and then 3 ounce on the inside. What we're going to do is pull the hood down, take its final measurement, and it gives you all zeros. And that's all you have to do for dynamic balance. Now if you want to do a static balance, so we'll go ahead and hit the DYN/STA button, which will actually go to the static for the inside reading. This is where you will spin up the tire. It'll actually give you the weight, and then what you'll do is put the weight in the center of the tire. You want to go to aluminum. Aluminum 1 is where you're going to have a stick-on weight right on the inside as close as you can to the outside of the rim, and then also a stick-on weight in the inside, closest to the inside of the rim. You go to aluminum 2, what you're going to do is you're going to put stick-on weight in the middle of the rim, and then also a stick-on weight on the inside of the rim. Aluminum 3, you will hammer on your weight on the inside, and then you would also put your weight on the center. LED lights here will show you exactly where your weight's going to be positioned. That's it.
Very good.